Hey Measuring Hero, welcome to the ZEISS IQS Customer Center here in Oberkochen. We're here today to begin our video blog journey about ZEISS IQS. So, what are we doing? We're going to do a weekly video blog, hopefully coming out about every Thursday or so, where we will explore different metrology topics, what's going on in ZEISS IQS, some tips or tricks or whatever happens, and hopefully you will have some fun with us. My name is Jay Elapano. I'm one of the product managers here at ZEISS. A little bit about me. I've been with ZEISS about 3 years now, but I've been in the industry for about 12 years. I come to ZEISS heralding from the great state of Minnesota in the United States, and I'm here in Oberkochen for 2 years, and just love it here, and I'm trying to get acclimated and learn, and maybe as we go through this video blog journey, you'll learn about Germany and Oberkochen with me. We'll also explore the different products that are here. We'll meet some people and have a little fun along the way.